In this segment of Suffolk Headlines, we head to downtown Suffolk for the 8th annual Shake, Rattle, and Roll Spring Car Show. Then we head over to the North Suffolk Library for the IconiCon event. The 8th annual Shake, Rattle, and Roll Spring Car Show lined Main Street in historic downtown Suffolk on Saturday, May 7th. This event honored the racers, records, and fans of the old quarter-mile concrete track at Suffolk Airport. Families enjoyed live music, food, and vendors.
It's a 1966 Chevrolet Impala Sport Coupe. It's got a 350 engine in it, 700R transmission, and I just love old cars. Other than the rain, it's real nice.
This is a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop. Factory called them Sport Coupes. Folks these days tend to call them two-door hardtops. The Bel Air was the most dressed-up model in '57. Had more trim than the others, etc. This car was restored original about 25 years ago, and then was what's called resto modded about 10 years ago. It's now got a later model 350 ZZ4 Chevrolet high performance motor and things like that. Cars had power steering and disc brakes, air conditioning, those kinds of things put on it to make it a bit more civilized to drive, but still a lot of fun. 57 Chevrolets are probably one of the icon cars in the collectible car world. It's probably, perhaps more so than any other car, the kind of car that people who aren't car people can recognize as a 57 Chevy. Those fins there, that's the thing that probably gives it away, people most notice, and I've just always thought they were really beautiful cars and absolutely love them. Now, I've been in the show for quite a number of years now, and our car club helps out with the show and all, and it's great that Suffolk puts on this show here. It's a terrific setting for it. We go to a car show down in, I won't name the town, a competitor town in North Carolina in October each year, and it's a very similar arrangement, old downtown area and all, and this is, to me, of all the car shows in the Hampton Roads area, this is by far the best setting for one, so we really enjoy it a lot.
Sci-fi and fantasy fans came out to the North Suffolk Library on Saturday, May 7th for the first ever IconiCon event. Guests were able to enjoy vendors, panels, free comics, a lightsaber academy, screenings, a costume contest, and more.
So this is IconicOn. It's our first year. It's like a mini Comic-Con that we're putting on in partnership with the Tidewater Alliance. And it's for sci-fi, fantasy, video games, anime, Doctor Who, any sort of geekiness is what we're trying to aim for. Pleasantly surprised, we hoped, but we weren't sure before it happened. But yeah, it's been amazing. Today we have events, big events, panels, video gaming. We have superhero training, superhero story time, crafts, games, all sorts of fun stuff. We have, I think, 15 vendors. We have some that are representing clubs like the Starfleet Alliance and Tidewater Alliance, the Rebel Legion, and we have some that are selling just awesome, geeky, amazing things. We were kind of waiting to see the turnout, but it looks like it's been really successful, so we're hoping to have it every year in the future, probably on a different weekend.
I think it's a lot of fun, plus there's a lot of different characters to see. Our favorite movie for IconCon is Star Wars, so we have Padme Amidala over here and then we have Queen Amidala, and then Rey, and they are actually hosting a costume contest at 2.
I like it because lots of people are wearing costumes.
Well, we did the bingo and we did the fun activities for Dave and Buster's, and there's a gaming area outside in the mobile library. Yes.
Thanks for watching this segment of Suffolk Headlines.